Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakakitaan. Ito ang trx.house. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-register or makapag-create ng new account? Ilagay lamang na natin ang ating mobile number, login password, security password, invite code at ang ating code. Ikakopy lang natin siya guys, then i-click natin itong sign up. So yun nga guys, once na nakapag-login tayo, meron tayong latest announcement galing kay trx.house. trx.house currently has more than 10 self-built mines, cooperative mines all over the world. The world's leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem, trx.house 9 America Mining integrates 19 countries regions in the world with me than 1 million miles machine. In December 2021, Thrones miners earned nearly $1 billion. Professional cloud mining is such as TRX.house has won the trust of customers. Second, introduction to the mine. Top 10 mining bases in the world. First, Throne Mine, number 1, located next to the Grand Coulee Yower Station in the upper reaches of the Columbia River in the Washington state in the northwestern United States. Second is Throne number 2 mine located next to the Tuguri Yower station in the northern Brazil. Third, Throne number 3 mine located in the Zambezi River, Gie, Zimbabwe next to the Mozambique Yower station. Fourth, Throne number 4 mine located in the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon regions of the northern Brazil next to the Toquiri Yower Station. Fifth, Throne number 5 mine located next to the Tacoma Yower Station in the lower reaches of the Caroni River in the Venezuela. Sixth, Throne number 6 mine located in the upper reaches of the Parana River on the Vider of Brazil, Paraguay, next to the Taipu Yower Station. 7th, Throne number 7, mine located next to the nuclear power station in Kelgar, Karnataka, on the banks of the Kalinadi River in Asia. 8th, Throne number 8, mine located at the upper reaches of the Zingo River in the lower reaches of the Amazon River in Brazil, next to the Malaysian Yower Station. 9, Throne number 9, mine located next to the Guri Yower Station in eastern Venezuela. 10, Throne number 10, mine located at the upper reaches of the Yenisei River in Siberia next to the Sayan Soshek Yower Station. 3, Income explanation. The site daily mining revenue is 6%. New user registration successfully deposit at least 5 TRX to activate the account. Second, permanent withdrawal limit deposit 1 to 2999 TRX daily withdrawal 2.5%. Deposit 30,000 to 199 and 999 TRX daily withdrawal 3%. Deposit 200,000 to 499 and 999 TRX daily withdrawal per percent. Deposit 500,000 to 999 and 999 TRX daily withdrawal 5%. Deposit 1 million ME TRX daily withdrawal 8%. The ME deposit, the higher the income, the faster the payback, the higher the daily withdrawal limit. Third, promotional rewards. Please promote your sharing link on your Facebook group, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram group, and any social media platform. So, share natin yung ating link. Log into the website, click the share button to enter. For everyone who registered deposit, you will receive a commission up to 17%. This commission will be credited to your account. So magtungo tayo guys sa ating so yun nga guys, si TRX meron tayong total balance dito 1,000 TRX. So magtungo tayo ngayon guys sa ating trading. So yun guys, once nakarating tayo sa ating trading profit 24-hour settlement is loud mining plus 6%. So meron tayo dito 60 TRX, quantifying transaction revenue. So magtungo tayo sa ating share. So yun nga guys, nandito tayo sa ating share. Paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn na rewards? So kailangan lang natin mag-invite ng contacts or friends. At narito ang ating referral link. Ikakopy lang natin to. Then i-share natin tong referral link sa ating social media through Facebook, Instagram at Messenger para makapag-earn tayo ng rewards. So magtungo tayo guys dito sa ating Mine. So yun nga guys, once na nakapunta tayo sa Mine, meron tayo ditong total balance na 1,060 TRX at meron tayong deposit at withdrawal dito guys. So TRX deposit quantity, add 5 TRX to the account at one time to activate the account and turn on the withdrawal function. So guys, magtungo tayo sa ating deposit. Paano nga ba tayo makapag-deposit dito sa ating site? So yun guys, ikakopy lang natin tong ating copy address, then magtungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, once na nakarating tayo sa ating Binance, magtungo tayo sa ating wallet. Then i-click natin to withdraw. Then crypto. So ito, i-click natin tong TRX Tron. So yun nga, meron tayo itong send TRX. So ilolong press lang natin yung kinapi-paste natin na link galing sa ating site. Then ipipaste natin siya dito guys. So yun nga guys, once na na-paste na natin yung link na galing sa ating site, ilagay lang naman natin ang ating amount. Then click natin tong withdrawal. Then confirm. So yun nga guys, mayroong mag-send ng code sa ating cellphone number at sa ating Gmail. So i-click lang natin send code. So once may nag-send na sa ating number at Gmail, click lang natin itong submit. Ilagay lang natin yung code na nag-send sa ating mga number at Gmail. So yun nga guys, request submitted na tayo guys. So withdrawal requested submitted, system processing. So yun nga guys, paano naman tayo makapag-withdraw sa ating sites? So yun nga guys, paano nga ba tayo mag-withdraw dito sa ating site? So magtungo lamang tayo dito sa ating withdrawal. Yun nga guys, lagay lang natin yung na amount. Then itong copy link address ng ating Binance para makapag-withdraw tayo guys. So lagyan natin yung security password. Then paano naman natin itong kunin itong wallet address natin? Magtungo tayo sa ating Binance. So once na nasa Binance na tayo, magtungo tayo sa ating wallet. Deposit. Search natin yung TRX, then crypto, TRX Tron, Tron TRC20, then kakopy lang natin itong wallet address. So, balik tayo sa ating site. So, yun nga guys, once na na-fill up pa natin siya, i-click lang natin itong confirm. So, yun nga, withdrawal success. So, yun guys, magtutungo naman tayo sa ating Binance ko talaga namang na-withdraw siya. So yun nga guys, once na sa Binance na tayo, pumunta tayo sa ating wallet para i-check kung talagang nag-deposit na nga yung ating withdraw. So yun nga guys, kitang-kita naman na talaga naman pumasok ang ating deposit. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Mag-register na kayo at huwag niyong kalimutan na click ang notification bell at subscribe para mas updated pa kayo sa mga i-release naming mga video.